Ready? Exciting! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! So that one's running today as well, and that one's inside. But that only goes to the station halfway round. Do you want to put your hood up?
No.
You want to get wet?
Yes.
Yay, you silly sausage. There's a signal man. Ah, you want it up there, don't you? There you go. There you go. Now remember, you got to look out for the sculptures.
That one.
You're going round the world.
Look!
Aeroplane. You see aeroplane?
I can just This looks cool here.
It does, doesn't it? We're going in the forest.
Oh, this is boring.
That's where they have all the engines. See?
Oh, I saw little froggies there.
Did you?
Yeah. This is so nice.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah. And this is so cool. It is. Oh, we're going over here.
Oh, we're going to duck. We're going to hit our heads. Oh, that was close.
No.
Lucky you're short.
Ah,
I see a chicken.
yeah. Chicken.
Oh, I see a sheep coming up. Oh, I see a frog. Here you go. Oh, what's that? That's weird, isn't it? That's a cat. And there's a sheep. Oh, these are big pencils, aren't they? We're going that way. It's a ducky. Oh, let's see these big cows. Oh, I see a big bird. Wow, he's,
Remember we saw that big bird?
that's a big bird, isn't it?
Remember we saw that big bird with the home like
Yeah, it's like an ostrich, isn't it? Oh, he's doing. Oh, mind your head. Ah, got wet.
I found an old man.
There's an owl. Oh, almost got me. Oh, got a duck again.
I got it. I'm gonna wait till I find I found an old man.
That's an old man, isn't it? Reading, or is that old lady?
I see a chicken.
That's a big chicken.
I see the number.
61. It's a station. So what I was going to say is, Anne, we'll go to full length. They run the engine round, run it back, and then we'll get off at this halfway station, and then we can walk a little bit. Look at that, isn't that? That is a big turtle. Alright, got to stop.